Hi friends, it is Vlogmas Day 9, and I thought it'd be fun to take you on a little tour of my home decor, everything I've put up so far. It's very much a work in progress. I'm going to show you all the pieces that I have up, and I'll have links down below. I'll mention where they're from throughout the video, and I really hope you enjoy it. Okay, here is a look at my kind of fall to winter console table. It's still a work in progress, but I will talk you through some of the things we have out here. Also, I have a post on my blog about fall console table styling, which includes this cinnamon broom and pampas grass arrangement. We have some fairy lights. I have a glitter reindeer, I think that's from Big Lots. We've got some incense and the incense holder, as well as a selenite tower. I have more like holiday wintry stuff over here to the left. We have two metallic bottle bristle brushes. We have two vases from Target as well. I have a Feu de Bois candle by Diptyque. And then I have a upcycled planter that I spray painted black with some pine cones in it. The white glitter pampas grass is from Michael's, as well as the white glittery birch. This one has a little imperfection right there, but I really like it. And then I stuffed this vase with some ribbon I got on a PR package to kind of fill the vase. This one I'm still looking for some vase filler for. So on top of this little entertainment cabinet, I have a really affordable little Christmas display, great for, you know, an apartment or a small space. So first up is this marquee letterboard. This is really old. I got this at Nordstrom Rack like 5 or so years ago. And it says, "Merry Christmas, you filthy animal." There were only 2 Y's in the set, so that's why it says "you filthy animal" instead of "you filthy animal." Target has a really similar option I will link down below. Then we have yet another one of these little reindeers I got in that set. They're technically ornaments, but I've been kind of using them for display pieces. Again, 2 more of those Target bristle brush trees. And then in the back, I have an old vase filled with green baubles. These are just Christmas ornaments. They don't have hooks on them. Threw down these fairy lights to complete the look, to make it a little more magical. Fun little decor display, perfect for a bookshelf, a small space, a console table. If you follow me on Instagram, I've teased out the mantle display a little bit, but basically we have a wall-mounted TV that lives right above the mantle, and then a fireplace down below. So went really simple with the mantle decor. We have a 5-foot long garland from Target. It is a flocked garland with pine cones and white berries. I really enjoy the neutral color scheme. It is an unlit garland, but I went ahead and added in my own string of fairy lights. And these are cool lights. And this is how they look during the day. I got these plain black stocking hangers to go with the mantle. I didn't want the hooks to be a focal point, so I just kind of went with the understated hook. And the 2 stockings we have this one from Target with the little pom-poms. So this is like a gray Christmas sweater inspired stocking. And then my stocking is very similar to the ones they have at Target, their faux fur collection, although this one was a gift I got in a PR package a couple years ago, and it's embroidered with my name. I will link some similar options down below. This is my bar cart, and it's a work in progress. This lives right next to my wine fridge, and I will link my video all about my wine fridge up above. But we kind of have some fun grab and go stuff on the top, you know, most frequently used items. Down below, I have some more specialty glassware, like Moscow Mule whiskey glasses. I have some mulling spices and some whiskey rocks. And then down below, I have some more wine accessories and cocktail accessories and some liquor. I have 2 empty bottles of wine there, just like for staging purposes. I have some products from The Wand. I have like a little tea towel. I have my Venturi. I have some straws, some candy canes, 2 more of those little reindeers. My Oster wine opener, which is like the best gift you could give anybody who loves wine. My sister got that for me. By the way, this is an IKEA little rolling cart. The garland is from the Target Wondershop. I think it was a $10, maybe 4-foot garland. It's not as plush as the one that's on the mantle. So it was perfect for the little bar cart and just like a fun little way to jazz up an otherwise pretty boring, pretty industrial looking bar cart. All right, and then finally for the tree, I turned down the lights, but here is a look. This is a brand new tree from Target. I have never purchased a Christmas tree before. I believe this is a Virginia pine tree, and the reason I got this is because of the detail on the actual branches. The branches look like a real tree. There are 3 distinct different textures of the branches, And many of the artificial trees to me look like Easter grass. They looked fake and very homogeneous and not very full, whereas this tree was very full and very bushy. I looked at it in store. It was out of stock in store, so I went ahead and looked at it in store and then ordered through the app. Saved 5% with my Target Red Card too. Initially, I wanted a pre-lit tree, but most of the pre-lit trees at Target had incandescent lights, and I was looking for a more energy efficient LED light. So that is why I went with an unlit tree, and I bought LED lights separately. So this tree is 7.5 feet. I used 3 boxes of Philips LED lights, and they are a pure white. Ornaments are mostly old. I have icicles, snowflakes, and jingle bells. They're all kind of a silvery crystal theme. The jingle bell ornaments are from Homegoods. Those are new. And the snowflakes and icicles are old, and I cannot remember where I got them from, but they came in a set. I will link some similar options from Amazon down below. Growing up with my family, we always had a real tree, so I do enjoy the scent, but it's just more economical long-term to have an artificial tree that you can reuse and doesn't cost you over $100 every single year. No topper on the tree just yet, still looking for the right one, so it's a work in progress. I do have other ornaments, but I think I'm gonna stick to this silver theme and maybe put ornaments on a secondary tree in the future. If you watched Vlogmas day 6 or 7, I believe, you'll know the saga about the tree skirt. I ended up just using a little faux fur throw rug. This is a really old one, it's kind of matted, but I ended up just throwing it under the tree, so I like it, it's minimal. And at this point, everywhere is sold out of tree skirts, so I'm not even mad about it. I'm just gonna use what I have. It'll get the job done.